first video tip, I showed the difference between blue and green things. Let's take that further when we look at dates. So I'm going to keep following up with my sales analysis, place some sales onto rows, just by left dragging in sales onto the row shelf. And I'm now going to go and break my data down by date. First of all, Tableau tries to break it down by the highest level we've got, and then would allow us to go and do different cuts of our data off the back of that. So for example, here we're breaking down the year that our orders came in on. But as I go and pick what different options I want within my dates, I'm actually seeing I've got some date parts and some date values. Well, what's the difference between those? The answer comes down to blue or green. If I drag in a second date field, for example, if I want to break down my years into quarters, I could do that using two blue fields, so two of our date parts. First of all, breaking down our sales into our year of order date, and then breaking down those years by their quarters. We can see how that's being represented on screen. But you'll also notice these grey lines appear. So these are known as pane lines, P-A-N-E. Sometimes there'll be a P-A-I-N when you're trying to do your analysis. So yeah, they're supposed to be like a window pane. Well, actually, if you want to get rid of them, we just want one continual line. We want one continuous axis. And if you remember, every time we use a green field, that draws an axis. That's where our date values come in. Our date values change the level of aggregation of our date, so how much detail is in our date fields. And if I say that I only care down to the quarter level of the data, all of those individual dates within that quarter will have their sales numbers added into their relevant quarters. Now we see that we get one nice continuous line because we're using that continuous field, and we can see how our sales are actually changing over time. So rather than having those grey lines breaking everything up, always looking like things are improving, we see the drop that happens from Q4 every year to Q1. Changes to how we feel about our charts and our sales data, maybe. So make sure you're representing the data in the right way by using the right data fields.